Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports report. The West Indies' wait for first series win in South Africa will continue after they were comfortably beaten by 87 runs inside 3 days in the first test at Centurion on Thursday. The South Africans, with a 179-run lead, resumed the day at 49 for 4, but were skittled out for 116 thanks to Kemar Roach, who bagged a 5 for 47, his 11th 5-wicket haul. Alzari Joseph and Jason Holder supported with 2 wickets each, with the other going to Shannon Gabriel. Man of the match, Aidan Markram, followed up his first innings century with 47. Set a challenging 247 to win, the Windies were in serious trouble early, wobbling to 33 for 5. Captain Craig Brathwaite, Roston Chase and Kyle Mears all fell for a duck. Jamaican Jermaine Blackwood with an aggressive 79 from 93 balls, inclusive of 12 fours and a 6, held up the South Africa attack, but the Caribbean men folded for a modest 159. No other batsman got to 20, with Jason Holder 18 and Joshua Da Silva 17, the best of the contributors. Kagiso Rabada did the damage for the Proteas with 6 for 50, his 13th 5-wicket haul. Marco Jansen supported with 2 for 33. Scores in the match: South Africa 342 and 116, West Indies 212 and 159. The second test starts next Wednesday in Johannesburg. Meanwhile, Australia need 76 runs to beat India and cut into a 2-0 series lead after Nathan Lyon's 8 for 64 put the visitors in a strong position on day 2 of the third test at Indore. The Australians, resuming the day at 156 for 4 in their first innings reply to 109 made by the hosts, were dismissed for 197. Ravi Ashwin and Umesh Yadav taking 3 wickets each to go with Ravindra Jadeja's 4 from the opening day. Now faced with a deficit of 88, the Indians crumbled to 163 all out on the back of Lions' stunning effort in 23.3 overs. Cheteshwar Pujara top scored for the hosts with 59, while Shreyas Iyer chipped in with 26. Scores in that match: India 109 and 163, Australia 197. Reggae Youth swamped Sandy Bay 6-0 in action from the JFF Tier 2 playoff competition on Wednesday. Reggae Youths were led by a double strike from Denardo Kerr. Elsewhere, Gray's Inn outscored Ujama 5-3, while Los Perfectos clipped Tollgate 1-0 and Tuscany Warriors blanked Harmony 2-0. Finally, Chairman of the Board of Governors at the G.C. Foster College of Physical Education and Sports, Vishu Tolan, says plans are afoot to get lighting for the track at the school as they want to utilize it more. However, it comes at a significant cost and will not be ready for this season.
There are some plans to put proper lighting. The track, as you know, is a certified World Athletics track, so we need to be able to run in the evening, have meets that can accommodate lighting, and that is also a major infrastructure cost. We're looking at anywhere between 15 to 20 million to put up lights on the track.
Added that there is other infrastructure work that needs to be done on the college.
Our sewage disposal system that needs some working on. Our electrical system in the college also needs major overhauling. Remember, this is an institution built 43 years ago, and not too many maintenance infrastructure improvements have been done over the 43 years.
And that's it for your midday sports report. Shamela, it's back to you.
Thank you, Karen. And that's the midday news. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us again at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.